Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide on downloading the latest version of Windows 11 ISO directly from the Microsoft server. First, visit the official ISO download page at Microsoft.com, https://www.microsoft.com/and-a/software-download/Windows 11s. When the Download Windows 11 page opens, scroll down to find the header Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Under this heading, select Windows 11 from the drop-down list. Then, click the download. After that, select the language from the drop-down list. Under the header, select the product language. When you're done, click the Confirm button. Finally, click the 64-bit download button. Now, downloading of Windows 11 will begin. Ensure the generated link is valid for 24 hours only. After that link will expire automatically. To download ISO again, you need to repeat the steps and download the file from the beginning. Bye.